Okay, this tutorial will show how to do 316 on page 3-5 of the handouts as of summer 2023. Let's start from scratch AutoCAD drawing. I'll turn off grid. I got dynamic input running, the polar tracking set for 90, and running Osnaps on and set for the usual 5. And hit escape or click outside to lose that. Okay, let's start in the center here. We'll start with a circle. Zoom in a bit, pan over on the PDF. We'll start with drawing a circle here and copy it down. And while we're at it, coincidentally, these two are both the same diameter as this one. So before we trim this away, let's copy it down and to the right. It is possible to do it in one step, but I don't think students really get taught that well enough. Let's draw a circle center diameter, pick a point, and this is a 1-unit diameter. Copy this guy straight down 2 units. So 2 units straight down. We'll make another copy of it. Half of 3.5 is 1.75. So we'll copy at 1.75, enter again to finish. We need to move it slightly downward, 0.625, 5/8. Enter. All right, what's going on here? I don't think that's right. Let me undo. Oh, no, we want move. Copy it straight down, 0.625, enter. There we go. Okay, this circle here can be a mirror copy of that. What the heck? Let's make it now. Copy that, mirror line, and enter. There we go. To make the arc across the top right here, let's start with a circle of radius 1. Now click circle, center radius, snap at the center, 1. And this arc can begin by a 7/8 radius circle. I should have waited for it to be made before I mirrored across, always something. All right, we'll click circle center radius, snap, and 7/8 for demonstration's sake. So let me demonstrate. 7/8, enter, works the same as typing 0.875. Okay. Let's draw a line straight down into the. Ooh, this one's a little tricky here. All right, we'll draw a line from here straight down 2.3. And I'm too lazy to do the arithmetic, divide that in half, so I'll draw another line 2 5/8 and move it to the end from its midpoint to the bottom of the vertical line. So we'll draw a line. I keep forgetting to double click on AutoCAD. Where were we? 3.2 straight down. And a 2 5/8 line. Not sure how to. Well, let me go ahead and type it. 2.625, enter. enter to finish. We'll move this line, grab it by its midpoint, and snap it to its end point. Now we can draw a circle at one end and mirror it over, or draw two circles. This is a diameter of 0.75, so we'll draw a circle center diameter, snap at the end point, 0.75, enter. While we're here, let's draw the circle to trim away. That's a radius of 0.75. 2x means there's two arcs on this view that have a radius of 0.75. So we'll draw a circle center radius, snap at the end or midpoint, 0.75, enter. Okay, we're getting there. We need to go tangent to tangent, and then another one tangent to tangent. This one can go quadrant over. Let's use OSNAP overrides for all four endpoints. Okay, students really hate these OSNAP overrides for some reason. Anyway, we'll click line. Want it to start at the proposed or deferred tangent. We don't want to use OSNAP or object snaps that are running. So I'll shift right click, pick tangent. OSNAP where we expect it to touch. And we're back to the 5 running OSNAPs. So I need to invoke a second tangent OSNAP override for the second point of this line. Shift right click tangent and click about there. Done. Enter to finish, enter to begin. Shift right click tangent. Expect it to touch about there. Shift right click tangent and terminate it there. Enter. Well, let's draw some vertical lines. Enter. Enter to begin the line command again. Another one. Enter. Okay, let's trim away some circles. Click trim. Everything's a cutting edge, so I don't need to specify cutting edges. And we'll whittle away everything that doesn't look like the final project. Okay, hit enter to finish the trim process. We'll mirror. Nope, we don't want that. I'll hold shift to deselect that. And we'll select the rest of what we want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 total objects. That's all we want. Hit enter. Oops, I don't know why I hit shift. Hit enter to finish. Select objects for the mirror command. Let's snap at that midpoint, polar straight down, and hit enter so we don't lose the originals. Click line, go from quadrant to quadrant, enter. Trim 3 things and erase 3 things. Trim 2, 3. Enter to finish the trim command. Why is that a dark circle? Let's check. Partially erase it. Yep, 2 items are found. Not sure how that happened. I will erase one of those 2 objects, leaving one. Okay, ooh, look at that. Hard to see that. Okay, that's a fourth object to erase. Click erase, select both of those, that one and this one. Enter to finish. And as usual, this early in your training, I don't expect you to do the red center lines or the dimensions. So that's it for 316. Save it as you like. See you next video.